postie just arrived with my hinges. Yes, I'll be able to carry on. So this is where I got to at the end of day four. So I've built the carcasses of my cabinets, and I've built the toe kicks for my cabinets. This is a little packer for here, so that when the drawer comes in, there's a bit of room just in case of scraping and stuff like that. There's a bit of room so that it doesn't do that. And then yeah, I've got these toe kicks. I've set them back a bit further than usual because I really want these cabinets to kind of float and look floaty. And then this is a slightly special toe kick that I've made for under the oven because it's an inbuilt oven, and I wanted to maximise the amount of drawer space that I got. I only gained like 80 mil, but basically this is all going to be one drawer that pulls out rather than just the depth and height of this. It's quite a bit more. Yeah, so this is what it looks like so far. Really happy with the joins and things. I think I've done a good job. But far out, if I was doing this at home without this workshop and without help, there'd be so many more mistakes. I'm making mistakes anyway, but yeah. So I'm very lucky to have help building these. And yeah, but honestly I'm having so much fun. This is the other thing that I got done. These are the overhead cabinets, and I chose to do them different to the usual way. They were very annoying to do. See, look, it's massive. It's absolutely, normally you do each cabinet separately, and then you'd have, anyway, I wanted to cut down on weight, so I thought I'd do it like this, and it's just been not very easy. There's a reason why they build them the way they do. Well, that didn't sound good. Alright, let's start cutting those drawers. I'm about to cut the bottoms of my drawers. This is the bottom of one of my drawers, and the drawer goes, I think the drawer goes like this, yeah. So the drawer goes in and out like this, and so I'm going to put a drawer runner on this edge here, but the drawer runner is 16 mil and this piece of ply is 17 mil. So I just need to cut a little edge on there on this table saw.